Hi everyone, it's Amanda and Conrad here in Costa Rica. We have been doing PEMF therapy for the past 4 years and have seen incredible results, and we're very passionate in helping people with their health and wellness. And we're very excited to introduce Swiss Bionic's new launch, which is called Nutagen, and it is a personalized nutrition system.
So I'll start off with just a brief overview. So Nutagen, Nutagenics, this isn't really guessing what your body needs. It's reading your genetic blueprint. Instead of treating symptoms, Nutagen looks at how your body is designed to function. A one-size-fits-all health doesn't work because your biology is unique, and this is about precision, giving your body exactly what it needs. The big idea here is that your genes are the blueprint, but they're not your destiny. Epigenetics is how your lifestyle turns genes on or off, a moment by moment. What you eat, how you move, how you handle stress, all of it shapes gene expression. This means change is possible. Your biology is adaptable, not fixed.
Which is super exciting to hear that we can change it and make a difference. The problem, most people are taking supplements based on trends, not their biology. We see so much of this right now. Health advice is everywhere, and much of it contradicts itself. Trial and error gets expensive, frustrating, and often ineffective. The real issue, we're guessing instead of working from data specifically about you. We have a solution. Nutagen uses your genetic data to guide health decision, not assumptions. Advanced software analyzes how your body processes nutrients and stress. It identifies where your system may need support at a cellular level. Then it creates a formula tailored specifically to your biology.
So these are the foundations, so we have some background understanding of what we're talking about. So what is genetics? Your DNA is the instruction manual for how your body is built. Genes are the individual instructions that control how your body works. They influence things like metabolism, detox, and energy production. And most of this blueprint stays the same throughout your life. What is nutrigenetics? Nutrigenetics looks at how your genes influence your response to nutrients. The same food can create completely different results in different people. And probably people have seen this in their lives. One person gains weight easily and the other one burns it off. It's the same input, but it's different biology. It explains why energy, metabolism, and cravings vary so much from person to person.
What is epigenetics? Epigenetics is a system that tells your genes when to turn on or off. These switches respond to your environment, food, stress, sleep, and movement. Your daily choices are constantly shaping how your body functions. This is where real change happens. You can influence how your genes behave. Nutri-epigenetics. Nutri-epigenetics is where nutrition directly impacts how your genes are expressed. Food isn't just calories, it's signals that guide your body's function. What you eat can support or disrupt key processes like energy, repair, and detox. Nutagen exists to align your nutrition with what your body actually needs at a genetic level.
Food talks to your genes. Every nutrient sends signals that influence how your genes behave. Food can activate pathways that support healing or ones that can drive dysfunction. This is why the same diet can help one person and harm another. It's not just about calories, it's about communication with your biology. Key mechanisms. The power of phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are natural compounds found in plants that support cellular health. Many have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. They can influence gene expression and help turn on protective pathways. This is where nature meets science, using plants to guide the body back to balance.
Examples. Flavonoids, berries, dark chocolate such as cacao, green tea, help calm inflammation.
Carotenoids.
Carrots, sweet potatoes, leafy greens support cellular protection.
We did practice this Sulforaphane.
Broccoli, broccoli sprouts activates your body's detox pathways. These aren't exotic, they're everyday foods with powerful effects. Aging. Aging is the result of gradual wear and tear at the cellular level. Over time, DNA can get damaged, affecting how cells function and repair. Chronic inflammation speeds up this process and impacts overall health. The key: while aging is natural, the rate and impact can be influenced.
Biological age versus chronological age. So chronological age is just the number of years you've been alive. Biological age reflects how well your body is actually functioning. Two people of the same age can have very different levels of health and vitality. The goal isn't just to age, it's to age well and at a slower biological pace. Telomeres. Okay, telomeres are protective caps on the ends of all your DNA, like the little tips on the end of your shoelaces. This is what helps keep your genetic material stable during cell division. Each time a cell replicates, these caps naturally shorten. Shorter telomeres are strongly associated with aging and cellular decline.
What affects telomeres? Your daily habits directly influence how quickly telomeres shorten. Chronic stress can accelerate their breakdown. Poor sleep and low-quality nutrition reduce your body's ability to repair. Movement and balanced nutrition help protect and maintain them over time. MicroRNAs. MicroRNAs are tiny molecules that help control how your genes are expressed. Information used. They act like regulators, deciding how much protein your cells produce. This affects key processes like inflammation, repair, and metabolism. Small in size, but they have a powerful impact on how your body functions.
MicroRNAs and stress. MicroRNAs respond to both the emotional and the physical stress in our body. Chronic stress can shift their signaling in ways that disrupt normal function. These changes are linked to increased risk for inflammation and disease. Because they reflect what's happening inside, they can act as a powerful biomarker of health. Personalization. Why stress matters. Short-term acute stress can be helpful. It's part of how we adapt and survive in day-to-day life. Chronic stress is the problem. It keeps the body in a constant state of alert. Over time, this drives inflammation and alters gene expression. Modern life keeps people in this loop, which impacts long-term health.
Nutrient interventions. Specific nutrients can target specific biological pathways in the body. Quercetin and EGCG support inflammation control and cellular protection. Omega-3s help regulate inflammation and support brain and heart health. Curcumin works on key signaling pathways linked to stress and recovery. SNPs, genetic variations. SNPs are small variations in your DNA that make you uniquely you. These differences can influence how your body processes nutrients and toxins. They also affect tendencies like inflammation, energy production, and stress response. Understanding your SNPs helps tailor support to your specific needs.
Gene examples. Certain genes play specific roles in how your body functions day to day. FTO can influence appetite, fat storage, and metabolism. MTHFR affects methylation, key for detox, energy, and brain function. FADS1 impacts how well you convert and use omega-3 fats. Why this all matters. Your body has unique requirements based on how it's built and functioning. The same diet and supplement can produce completely different outcomes. This explains why what works for them doesn't always work for you. Personalization removes the guesswork and makes health more effective.
What Nutagen is at its core? What is Nutagen? Nutagen is a science-based system built around your individual biology. It uses epigenetic lab analysis to understand how your body is functioning right now. From that data, it creates a fully personalized supplement formulation. It's delivered as a structured 90-day protocol to support measurable change. How it works. You start with a simple test to collect your biological data. Advanced software and analyzes how your body is functioning beneath the surface. A custom formula is created based on your unique needs. Your personalized protocol is delivered, ready to use.
The maintenance crew. Think of your body like a power plant that needs constant upkeep to run well. Antioxidants act as the protection crew, shielding cells from daily damage. Vitamins are the repair team, helping fix and maintain DNA and cellular function. Phytonutrients are the regulators, guiding how genes are expressed. What it targets. Targets oxidative stress, reducing the cellular wear and tear that builds over time. Supports inflammation balance, calming processes that drive many chronic issues. Helps protect and repair DNA, supporting long-term cellular health. And optimizes energy production, improves how your cells create and use energy.
Why personalization matters. Generic formulas treat everyone the same. Your bodies are not the same. Your plan is built from your biology, not trends or averages. This increases effectiveness and reduces unnecessary supplementation, such as oversupplementation. It's precision health, targeted, efficient, and designed just for you. Product structure. What's included? A complete 90-day system designed to support measurable change. Pre-measured daily sachets, simple, consistent, and easy to follow. Divided into 3 30-day phases to adapt as your body responds. Built for convenience so you actually stay consistent.
890 variants. The system analyzes up to 890 genetic variants to build your profile. Software processes this data to create a highly specific formula. No two formulations are exactly the same. It's built just for you. This level of personalization goes far beyond standard supplements. Ingredients. It uses a blend of essential vitamins to support core body functions. Includes key minerals that many people are commonly deficient in. Adds targeted phytonutrients for gene regulation and cellular support, all combined in precise amounts based on your individual needs.
Who is Nutagen for? People who feel stuck. These are people doing the work but not getting the results they expect. Often, there are hidden factors like deficiencies, genetics, or stress at play. Without personalization, they are missing key pieces of their own puzzle. This is where targeted support can unlock progress that's been stuck. High-stress individuals. High-stress individuals are often operating in a constant state of demand. Chronic stress disrupts hormones, sleep quality, and recovery capacity. Over time, this shifts the body away from repair and towards survival. When stress is high, optimization takes a back seat and the system is just trying to cope.
Low energy and burnout. Persistent fatigue and brain fog are often signs something deeper is off. Common drivers include nutrient deficiencies and inefficient energy production. When cells aren't producing energy well, everything feels harder. Targeted nutrients can support mitochondrial function and restore energy capacity. People focused on longevity. These are the people thinking long term. It's not just how they feel today, but years ahead. It's about slowing biological aging, not just counting chronological years. Supporting telomeres and healthy gene expression plays a key role here. This is proactive health, investing now to prevent decline later.
Weight loss resistance. When weight loss stalls, it's often deeper than just calories versus in versus calories out. Genetics, like the FTO gene, can influence appetite, cravings, and fat storage. Chronic stress and elevated cortisol make the body hold on to weight. This approach supports the underlying system that drives fat loss, not just the surface. Precision seekers. These are people already doing the right things, but want to dial it in. They understand that healthy doesn't always mean optimal for you. Generic supplements can only take you so far without personalization. This is where data replaces guesswork and fine-tunes the details.
Genetic risks. Family history can reveal patterns, but it doesn't guarantee outcomes. S&Ps help identify where you may have a higher risk or sensitivity. This gives you a chance to act earlier, not later. The goal is prevention, supporting the system before problems develop. Active and athletics. Personalization supports faster recovery, improves energy production at a cellular level, helps manage inflammation from training load. Small optimization equals noticeable performance gains. Holistic thinkers. This aligns with the whole body approach to health, works alongside practices like PEMF, exercise, and clean eating. The focus is on supporting the body, not overriding it. It's about creating internal balance, not just symptom relief.
What Nutagen is not. It's not a quick fix to an overnight solution, not a generic one-size-fits-all supplement. It's not designed for instant or temporary results, and not a replacement for healthy lifestyle habits. Take-home message. What this means for you: more consistent, stable energy throughout your day, faster recovery from stress, workouts, and daily demands, support for healthier aging at the cellular level, and greater resilience physically, mentally, and biologically.
Lifestyle still matters. This isn't a replacement for healthy habits. It works with them. Nutrition, sleep, PEMF, and movement still form the foundation of your health. Managing stress is key to how your body expresses and uses this support. Think of this as an amplifier. It enhances the work you're already doing. The future of health. Healthcare is shifting from reactive to proactive, preventing issues before they start. Personalization replaces guesswork, making health strategies far more effective. Data gives clarity. Understanding your body removes uncertainty. This is where health is going: tailored, precise, and built around the individual. Call to action. If you're curious, start by learning how your body actually works. Getting tested gives you clarity instead of guesswork. From there, you can make confident, informed decisions about your health. When you understand your biology, you're in a position to take real control.
So any questions you have, please email them to me. If you're already a part of our PEMF team, you're in our WhatsApp group, I'm going to create a separate branch in our WhatsApp group specifically for Nutagen, so we can all communicate there and learn together. I've already sent my test in, so I'm waiting for my results and my supplements. So I can't wait to try it myself, and I will share everything with you. And guys, honestly, there's no better time than now. We know that we are living in a very different world. We are bombarded with toxins and attacks from all around us. I call it attacks because you go to the grocery store, the chemicals that are sprayed on our crops, in the skies, the stresses, the way society has created life, that we feel that we can't get off the hamster wheel, or just trying to keep our heads above water. This is really taking control of your life. We can actually change the story of our genetics as well, where we have family history of issues that get passed down. It can actually stop here. So it's really exciting and gives us a lot of hope. And we hope that you all sign up and try it for yourselves.
I just wanted to add, it works so perfectly with PEMF, because PEMF detoxes, energizes the cell, cleans it out. Now we have tailor-made food to give to the cell.
Absolutely. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.